Shout out to VDub and ET, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making a custom soap water. It is a regular customer of mine that orders pretty much a loaf every year. So it's this time of year again. So he's put in an order for a custom loaf on the website, and he's picked a really nice blend, which I have actually made before for Dawn Organics range. But you know, I like to just change things up every now and then, so I haven't made this one in a while. It's Whisky, a natural whiskey fragrance from Aussie Candle Supplies, 2.5% of that, and then 2.5% of Cedarwood Atlas, with a little bit of natural vitamin E in them. And full percentages will be in the description below. The recipe is mainly olive oil, 60%, 25% coconut virgin organic coconut oil, and 5% organic castor oil, and 10% unrefined shea butter. So this recipe behaves itself for the most part, so I am going to just shove the fragrance in now, because it does slightly accelerate, but not an unworkable amount. So I'm going to be quick anyway. It's only going to be a 2-color swirl. He picked green and purple clay, so I will go ahead and just do an equal split, or just an eyeball equal split, and go ahead and do that. And also what's in here is honey, and my ultra concentrated oat milk is in there as well. Just like that, just a bit of powder from the gloves got on the stick blender. And I'll just double check the temperature, 32, 31, perfect. So ready to soak with that. So there's oat milk in here, honey, and in here pink salt and sodium lactate and sodium gluconate, so that's in there. And it's a pretty straightforward recipe, but I thought I'd bring you along into making this bar. And I've got my mold here as well, so I'll just move it there. And they requested, I'll just check the paper, because it's the water paper. And we're going to be cutting it at 3.1 centimeters, 160 gram average bar, so it's going to be 10 bars from this log. And we've added the shea butter, yes, castor oil, yes, coconut, olive, yes, honey, yes, oat milk, yes, green clay, Brazilian purple clay, cedarwood, and whiskey fragrance. Perfect. I just like to go down the list to make sure that I didn't forget anything. Right, so it's a very quiet Sunday here, and I will be actually going to Melbourne at the end of this month, because unfortunately my really close friend, my best friend, she just recently diagnosed with breast cancer, sadly. So I'm going to be going to see her. She just had an operation. She had both breasts removed. It's really sad. It's a really aggressive cancer, and she starts chemo, I think, in January, and radiation therapy. So I'm going to see her at the end of this month, and I'll be back not so much mid-December, but halfway between early and mid-December, so the 10th of December I'll be back. And I probably will go again sometime in January or early February. So yes, sad news, but so I don't have much planned right now, filming wise, because of the next couple of weeks I won't be around. But I'm just, getting everything together, orders. I'm going to do a sale while I'm away as well, 10% off store-wide. And I will resume sending out everyone's orders 12th of December. and well, the 10th, well, the 11th of December, because I'll be coming back the 10th that night. And I think late December, I will be doing my cheesecake video. So today will be this whiskey and cedarwood custom loaf. Next week will be probably my liquid soap paste, olive oil. I've learned a really quick method compared to my last video by adding glycerin, and it just speeds up the whole process, and it's just ready in a few hours. It's just fantastic. So that'll be next week's video, and then, well, not next week's video, sorry, I should say early December's video, and late December will be my keto cheesecake recipe. So I'm looking forward to sharing that with everyone. So I'm just going to give this a quick blend. I have to work fairly quick. I mean, it's a fairly fast moving recipe, but nothing over the top. And I thought I'll just update everyone with what's happening here in Dawn Organics land over the next few weeks. And I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching, and see you at the end.